When you open FL Studio, it always starts with the same default setup. If you'd rather have your own custom starting point, here's how to change the default template. First, go to File at the top, then click New from Template and select Change Default Template. This will take you to the settings where you can choose what FL Studio loads when you open it. Another way to get there is by going to Options General Settings. Look for Startup Project in the bottom right. Here, you can set FL Studio to load with a blank project, your last used project, or a specific template. There are several template options, from a simple empty project to setups with preloaded mixer tracks and effects. Pick the one that fits your workflow. If you want a completely clean slate, the Empty with 4 sends option is a good choice. Once you've made your selection, close the settings. The next time you open FL Studio, it will start with your new default template.